I just got back from down the street and I'm going to do another vegan food haul video because I really enjoyed doing my last one. If you don't care about this vegan stuff, just wait till I do a fragrance video tomorrow. But for those of you who are interested, stick around. So here we've got the bag of stuff. It's a heavy bag. And let's dig right in. Starting things off, we've got cauliflower puffs vegan cheddar by Health Guru, and I got these reduced $2.80 Australian. So these are completely vegan, haven't had the brand before, haven't even tried these before, but I'm pretty excited for it because I love my vegan snack, like my savory vegan snack foods. I'm not the biggest fan of cauliflower, but you know, it's a vegetable and I'll eat it. So I reckon these should be alright. These are gluten-free, baked, vegan, non-GMO and all natural. Cauliflower is freeze-dried. There we go. What else did I get here? Oh yeah, I've been meaning to try these and I finally get a chance to try them, and this is a snack pack of dates. So there, these are Deglet Nor pitted dates, naturally delicious, no added sugar, source of dietary fiber, contains antioxidants, and these are gluten-free. I love dates. I really love dates. All dried foods I'm a big fan of. I do prefer medjool dates because, you know, they've got a juiciness and they aren't like so dry, but I'm sure these would be great. And I got these on clearance for $1.60. These won't last long because I go through dates like junkies go through heroin. Can't live without tofu. I know there's sort of like an anti-soy, anti-tofu movement, and I used to be ashamed of the fact that I was technically a soy boy, but you know, I've come to terms with that, and what I once shied away from because I thought it was just a terribly disgusting moniker, it's actually sort of pretty close to the truth of things. Like, I love my tofu and I ain't ashamed to admit it. Next up we have quarter cabbage. Paid about $1.50 for that. You know, you can put these in your soups, your stews, you can put them in your salads. These are just fantastic value. You can even juice them or put them in smoothies as well. I sometimes do that, but I mainly do that with kale, but red cabbage is a pretty solid replacement for kale anyway. If you don't like kale but you want similar health benefits, red cabbage is what you want to check out. Here's something that I can't wait to make. These are Noshu 98% sugar-free cookies. Like, this is a pre-packaged like mix. So I'll be making these cookies for my grandparents because it's a holdover, a carryover that I've like taken from my ex who used to make my grandparents baked goods all the time, and I'm sort of carrying on that tradition. And I can't wait to make these, and I can't wait to try one, but these will be primarily for my grandparents. These are using natural sweeteners, vegan friendly, and there's only 8 grams of carbs per serve. It's pretty rare to see a 3.5 health star on pre-packaged like cookie mix. So I can't wait to bake these and give them to my grandparents. I bought these vegan baking choc chips to put in those cookies just in case there's not enough in the pack. These are definitely not going to go to waste. I don't eat much sweet foods except like fruit, but these will come in handy when I'm baking. We've got some organic udon noodles, which I'm going to be putting in my vegan pho tonight. Can't wait to make that. Oat and almond milk. Creamy, smooth, a little nutty. I love oat milk. It's by far the best milk alternative. Like, it's not even close. But oat and almond milk is a good combo if they don't have oat milk. Finally, I spent like $5 on 3 oranges. So they're pretty expensive at the moment, but I love my fruit. That's all I bought at the store. I love showing off just, you know, my usual shops at the store. I'm usually eating a lot of like tofu, a lot of stir fries with fresh veggies and stuff like that. you know, it's simple food, but it's nutritious and it's healthy and it's good for you and it's good for the world. That, I just wanted to show off what I bought because, you know, I love doing these things. I love showing off what I'm buying. If you've got to this point of the video, I just wanted to say thank you for watching. I know not everyone on the channel likes this vegan stuff in particular, but you know, I'm pretty passionate about it and I love sharing it with everyone. Stick around because I will be releasing more fragrance content tomorrow. And anyways, until then, my name is Aussie Marcel and I'll catch you guys around.